It remains one of the world's most delightful mysteries. How do French women stay so enviably slim while indulging in life's greatest culinary pleasures? We do not shy away from buttery croissants, rich cheeses, decadent chocolates, a lovely glass of wine with our dinner. Yet, when you stroll through the streets of Paris, you see people who seem to have uncovered a secret. This is not magic, nor a result of genetics. It is a way of life. A philosophy of eating passed down through generations. And it is something you can learn too. The answer does not lie in fad diets, calorie-counting apps, punishing workout regimens. Instead, the French approach rests on pleasure, quality, mindful habits. We see food not as an enemy, but as a friend to be cherished. This shift in perspective changes everything. Over this exploration, I'll share 7 treasured habits, not rules, gentle guidelines to rediscover joy, while guiding your body toward its ideal weight. Forget what you know about dieting. We're on a more delicious journey. Imagine being able to eat bread, enjoy a piece of dark chocolate, and still feel light and confident. This is reality in France. The secret is open, visible in daily routines. It's about balance, not restriction. The first and perhaps most crucial secret is the principle of la moderation. Moderation. In France, it is all about portion control. You will not find us eating from oversized plates piled high with food. Instead, our servings are reasonable, elegant, and satisfying. A slice of quiche is just that. A single perfect slice, not half the pie. This is not about deprivation. It is about respecting the food and your body. By eating smaller portions of high-quality, flavorful foods, you give your body the rich tastes it craves, without the excess volume that leads to weight gain. This simple adjustment allows you to enjoy everything in moderation. Cheese, dessert. Think of it as quality over quantity. 3 bites of a truly magnificent dark, rich chocolate mousse, or a giant bowl of bland, sugary pudding. The French woman knows the answer instinctively. She chooses the exquisite experience. This focus on smaller portions retrains your stomach and your brain. Over time, you feel full and satisfied with less food, breaking the cycle of overeating common with processed, low-flavor foods. Your body learns to recognize true hunger and satiety signals, a powerful tool for effortless weight management. This habit is complemented by a deep appreciation for savoring each meal. Knowing it's a small portion, you naturally eat more slowly, truly tasting every bite. This mindful approach enhances pleasure and gives your brain time to register fullness. Eating slowly is a form of respect for the food and for yourself, turning a simple meal into a luxurious experience. Another fundamental habit is the pace at which we eat. In France, a meal is a ritual, not a race. We sit down. We put away our phones. We focus on the food and the company. We take our time. This act of savoring food slowly is incredibly powerful for weight control. It takes approximately 20 minutes for your stomach to send a signal to your brain that it is full. When you eat quickly, you can easily consume far more food than your body actually needs. By slowing down, you give your body the time to catch up. You can recognize your natural point of satiety and stop eating when you are comfortably full. Savoring your food also heightens the pleasure of eating. When you chew slowly and deliberately, you unlock complex flavors and textures. A simple ripe tomato tastes infinitely more delicious when you appreciate its sweetness and acidity. This heightened sensory experience leads to greater satisfaction from your food. You feel more content with smaller amounts because the experience is richer. This is mindful eating ingrained in our culture for centuries. A stark contrast to rushed, distracted eating that leads to overconsumption. This practice can be transformative, helping you consume fewer calories without trying. Furthermore, the French diet is built around whole, fresh ingredients. Foods in season and sourced locally are prioritized. A trip to the marsh, the outdoor market, is a weekly ritual for many. Fresh vegetables, ripe fruits, artisanal cheeses and breads. Eating fresh, unprocessed foods means more nutrients and fewer empty calories, artificial additives, and hidden sugars. These whole foods are more filling and satisfying, making it easier to stick to smaller portions and feel energized throughout the day, which is essential for any successful weight loss journey. Of course, the French lifestyle is not entirely sedentary. Movement is woven into the fabric of our daily lives. While we may not be fanatics about going to the gym, we walk everywhere. We walk to the bakery in the morning, to the market in the afternoon, and for a leisurely stroll after dinner. We take the stairs instead of the elevator. This constant, low-intensity activity is incredibly effective for burning calories and maintaining healthy metabolism. It is a gentle, sustainable form of exercise that doesn't feel like a chore, contributing significantly to our overall fitness. The calories we enjoy from delicious food are offset by our active lifestyle. The last pieces of our puzzle are structure and moderation, particularly concerning indulgences like wine. In France, wine is considered a part of the meal, not a separate activity. We enjoy a glass of good red wine with dinner, sipping it slowly to complement the flavors of the food. It is an enhancement to the dining experience, not a means to an end. We do not engage in the binge drinking culture seen elsewhere. The key, as with all things, is moderation. Let us recap the 7 simple habits that form the foundation of the French way. First, embrace smaller portions, focus on quality, not quantity. Second, savor every meal by eating slowly and mindfully. Third, prioritize fresh, whole foods from the market. Fourth, build walking and daily activity into your routine. Fifth, avoid constant, mindless snacking between meals. Sixth, enjoy wine and other treats in true moderation. And seventh, eat at structured regular meal times to regulate your body's natural hunger cycles. These are not rigid rules but a fluid philosophy for a more pleasurable and healthy life. These habits work together in beautiful harmony. When you treat your body with respect and pleasure, it will reward you with health, vitality, and natural, elegant slimness that lasts a lifetime. Like, subscribe and start living healthier, the French way.